Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you and your family are happy and healthy. I am your science teacher, Miss Beauty. Today we will start this session with new chapter, that is chapter number 3rd, Adaptation in Animal. So class, just take out your book, open the book. Chapter number 3rd. What is that? What is the name of chapter number 3rd? Just repeat with me. Adaptation in animal. What is the spelling of adaptation? A D A P T A T I O N. Adaptation. Just repeat this word 5 times. What is the spelling? A D A P T A T I O N. That is your chapter name. Adaptation in animal. So today in this session I will explain you what is the meaning of adaptation, and after that I will give you 15 new words that you have to learn it. 15 new words that you have to learn it. But before starting this session, I would like to give you thought of the day, and you have to just learn it and remember the thought of the day. Are you ready for thought of the day? Yes. Just look at this slide on which I will present thought of the day. So student, thought of the day is, if you really want to do something, if you really want to do something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find excuses. So this is a thought of day. If you want to do something new thing, you have the way. But if you don't want to do anything, you will always give excuses. So be ready for doing work. Don't give excuses for any work. So student, today I will give you 15 new words and you will note down in your notebook. How you will write, I am going to explain it. So just look at very careful that how will you write new word on your notebook. Just take a blue pen and black pen. You have one blue pen and one black pen for writing on your notebook. First, you have to just come on the rule side page. Come on the rule side page. Mention date. Here you have to mention date. And what is today date? 2nd July 2020. So today on 2nd July we are going to start our this chapter number 3rd. So you have to write here date 2nd July. Okay class. After that, on first line you will write chapter number 3rd. You will write chapter number 3rd. Next you will write chapter name. After that you will write chapter name. Look at this board how I am writing. First I have mentioned the date. You have to write on the right side of your notebook date. After that, on first line, chapter number 3rd, adaptation in animal. You have to mention topic also on your notebook. Okay class. After that, you will write new words. You will write new words and just numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, today I will give 15 new words for you and you have to write on your notebook. So, don't do any mistake while writing. Write slowly and in very beautiful writing. I want your writing so neat, clean and readable. Why? Because when you are sitting for learning your notes, your writing should be readable. When the writing is readable, you can learn your word very easily. Okay class? So don't be hurried. Just write slowly. I am giving one word 5 minutes for you writing. Okay? So don't be hurried. Write slowly and very neat handwriting. In very neat handwriting. Okay class? So first I will explain adaptation. After that I will give 15 new words and you have to write all the new words in your copy. I hope now there is no confusion about notebook. Okay. In live classes also I explain same thing and in video I am also explaining the same thing how you will write on your notebook. Just use gel pen, blue and black. Black for question and blue for answer. So don't do any mistake. Okay class? So let's start today's session, that is adaptation in animal. First I am going to explain you what is adaptation. What is adaptation? If someone is asking you, tell me what is adaptation, what you will explain? Okay, now I am going to tell you what is adaptation and you just listen very carefully and learn it. So, adaptation in animal. Adaptation is a special features. Listen very careful. Adaptation is a special features of animal that help the animal to survive in their surrounding. Let's see. Take an example of fish. A fish is an aquatic animal and fish live in water. It's mean the survival environment for fish is water. आप अगर फिश को वाटर से बाहर निकालोगे तो क्या वो सरवाइव करेगा? नहीं करेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उस फिश का suitable environment क्या है? Water. That's why that is the adaptation of fish. Fish adapt their self to survive in water. Fish can't survive on land. Why? Because fish has a special features that adjust their self in according to their environment. That is adaptation. Okay class? So again I am going to repeat that adaptation is a special feature of animal that help them to survive in their surrounding, in their environment. If any animal living on land, just take an example, dog is an animal and dog live on the land. If you put dog in water, can dog survive? No, dog will not survive. Why? Because dog can't adapt in water. वो water में अपने आप को adapt नहीं कर पाएगा, इसलिए लैंड पे वो सरवाइव करता है क्योंकि उसके पास एक स्पेशल फीचर्स है. डॉग हैज अ स्पेशल फीचर टू अडॉप्ट ऑन लैंड, टू सर्वाइव ऑन लैंड. डॉग हैज लंग्स टू ब्रीथ एंड फिश हैज गिल्स टू ब्रीथ इन water. So that is a special feature that help in surviving animal. I hope now you will understand what is adaptation. Just repeat with me. Repeat with me. Adaptation is a special features. Repeat this line. Adaptation is a special features of animal. Again repeat this line. Adaptation is a special features of animal that help them to survive in their environment. Okay class, this is the definition or meaning of adaptation. Again I am repeating this line. Adaptation is a special features of animal that help them to survive in their environment. Now, I hope now the definition of adaptation is clear. Now, I am giving you 15 new words that is important for you and you will learn it. That 15 new words you have to learn it. Okay class? Now, let's come on new word topic. Now student, this is the new word. These all are the new word of chapter number 3 and you have to note down. Okay. Number 1. Adaptation. First letter should be capital. Okay student. A, D, A, P, T, A, T, I, O, N. Adaptation. You have to write it on your notebook. Now, second word is survive. S-U-R-V-I-V-E. Survive. Now, third one is terrestrial. T, capital T, E, double R, E, S, T-R-I-A-L. Terrestrial. And what is its mean? Related to land. Now, fourth one. E-N-V-I-O, E-N-V-I-R-O-M-M-E-N-T. Environment. Environment. I am giving you time. Just write it. Fifth one is aquatic. A, capital A, small q, U, A, T, I, C. Aquatic. And what is the meaning of aquatic? Aquatic means related to water. Now, sixth one, aerial. Capital A, E, R, I, A, L. Aerial. Aerial means related to air. Now, seventh one, suitable. You all learn the spelling of table. Just write S-U-I and the spelling of table. T-A-B-L-E. Suitable. Now, eighth one is amphibian. Capital A, M, P, H, I, B, I, A, N. Amphibian. So, write it down. I am giving you time. Write it. I hope it is clear to you. There is no visual problem. After that, I will give 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, this is the time. Just write it. You will write slowly and nicely. Your writing should be readable. Shall we come on next? Next पे आ जाए. Okay. Now the next word. Your next word number 9, herbivorous. Capital HERBIVORES. The animal who eat only grass. The animal who eat only grass. Now 10th, carnivorous. You have learned the spelling of car. Just write car, NINEVORES. Carnivorous. It means animal who eat only flesh of other animal. Now 11, omnivorous. OMNIVORES. Omnivorous. The animal who eat both the plant of and flesh of other animal. Now 12, P, capital P ARASITES. Parasites. The small microorganism. Parasite. Now 13th one, capital P small ROTECT. Protect. Protect मतलब to save. Now I am giving you time for writing this. Write it fast, beta. After that only 2 are left, 14 and 15. Now 14 is desert. 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 The area which is covered by sand. And this is 15. Different. 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 So these are 15 new words that you have to learn it and write in your notebook. This is your classwork. So what we done today? We learn about adaptation and 15 new words of chapter number 3rd. So class, until you have to revise this, and next session we will start our chapter number 3rd with different topic. Bye class. Take care.